Good morning, children. Today, let us learn 17 important terms of social studies for primary classes, part 2, children. What is the term? Horizon. The place where land and sky seem to meet. Here, land and sky seem to meet. This place is called horizon. In reality, they never meet, children. It appears due to the Earth's bigger size. So, land and sky seem to meet at the horizon. Next, the coast. The place where land and sea meet. It is called the coast. This picture clearly shows us the coast. Next, what is a globe? A globe is a model of the earth. This picture shows us the model of the earth. Next, what is a map? A map is a drawing of the earth or a part of it on a flat surface or paper. Here you can see the map of the world on a flat surface of the paper, children. Whole earth you can see. And on this you can see the part of the earth, the Indian desert, the Thar desert of Rajasthan, the part of the earth you are able to see on the flat paper. Surface is flat. Next, atlas. A book of maps is called atlas. It is a book of maps. Next, compass. What is a compass, children? A compass looks like watch. It has a needle that always points towards the north direction. It helps the sailors to find the right directions and reach their destination. So, compass helps us to find the right direction and reach the destination. Next, what are oceans? Oceans are huge water bodies on the earth. A huge water bodies, children. What are continents? Continents are huge land masses. Here you can see. Next, what is sea level? Where the place where land and sea meet, that is called sea level and it is marked as 0 degree. Next, what is a mountain? A land which is more than 800 meters height above the sea level and with steep slopes is called a mountain. Next, what are plateaus? Plateaus are also called tablelands, children. Land with a large flat top rises abruptly from the surroundings is called a plateau. Next, plain. The land which is equal to sea level is called the plain land. This picture shows you the plain land. Next, what is a desert? A desert is a barren land and has acute shortage of water and hence extremely less or no vegetation. No vegetation at all, or it is also called a land with loose sand. Next, what is an island, children? Island is a piece of land surrounded by water on all the sides. Next, what is a peninsula? Peninsula is a piece of land surrounded with water on 3 sides. See here, India. On western side, Arabian Sea. Southern side, Indian Ocean. Eastern side, Bay of Bengal. So 3 sides water bodies. North part is connected to the land. So this is an example of peninsula. Next, this picture shows you the directions and sub-directions, children. Main directions. How to read the directions when a map is placed. When a map is placed, top of the map is north, bottom of the map is south, right side of the map is east, left side of the map is west. These are main directions. And sub-directions. The direction between north and east is northeast. Direction between north and west is northwest. And direction between the south and east is southeast. And the direction between south and west is southwest. These are sub-directions. And what is an altitude, children? Vertical distance from the sea level is called an altitude. Children, the task for this video is learn the terms very well. Practice one time. Thank you all, children. Have a nice day.